Welcome to 6 Alternate Medicines. Acupuncture has long been a recognized mainstream treatment in the West, despite being a perfectly accepted traditional medicine in Eastern societies. According to Chinese medical experts, the bloodstream connects more than 2,000 acupuncture sites in the human body to various parts of the body. The goal of acupuncture in Chinese medicine is to improve the Qi's ability to move more smoothly throughout the body. To our Western-trained ear, the theory underlying why and how acupuncture works seems a little more philosophical than rational. Though there are many specialist institutions you may visit for that sort of therapy, it has undoubtedly grown more common in areas like the United States. Introducing a brand new medication that people vouch for if you've never heard of ashwagandha or knew how to spell it. It's not precisely new, but its application is still popular. The winter cherry, also known as ashwagandha, is a fruit that grows on evergreen shrubs in India, the Middle East, and Africa. The benefits claimed for this plant, which range from improved sleep to controlled heart rhythm, are no minor accomplishment for a tiny shrub. It could potentially be a viable treatment for recovering from infection because the theory behind it is that it reduces inflammation. You really believed you could go through an essay about complementary medicine without coming across CBD oil? You had the incorrect idea. The truth is that as medicinal marijuana has received more attention recently, CBD products have grown in popularity. In order to be clear, this is not the same thing as medicinal marijuana. CBD oil does not include the same ingredients. It can be used topically or taken as a tablet. It is difficult to determine the CBD's true advantages. Medical researchers at universities like Harvard are currently examining it to see how it stacks up against conventional medicine. However, the advantages do appear to include pain alleviation, improved sleep, reduced anxiety, and perhaps even better outcomes with other substance addiction treatment. Herbal supplements fall under the topic of alternative male enhancement therapies, which can be awkward to discuss. Perhaps this explains why so many men choose for natural treatments rather than discussing their personal issues with their doctors. Erectile dysfunction, or ED, is a very common issue, though, and it is nothing to be embarrassed of. About 30 million men in the United States are affected by the illness, according to this Verywell Health article. As with any other medical procedure, you should see your physician before beginning any natural treatment for yourself. This list has a recurring theme that almost all treatments address, either directly or indirectly, stress-related issues. Another example that appears to lower cortisol is hydrotherapy. To aid with healing, hydrotherapy can use either hot or cold water. Water workouts may be an excellent technique to exercise without placing too much stress on your bones and joints, since water lifts your body weight off your skeleton. Despite the fact that hydrotherapy has been practiced for centuries, it has developed as a result of the healthcare sector's constant introduction of new hydrotherapy promoting goods, such as the jacuzzi solution. By facilitating the body's ability to absorb more oxygen, hyperbaric oxygen therapy, HBOT, treats tissue damage. About 20% of the air we typically breathe contains oxygen. A patient inhales 100% pure oxygen inside a device known as a hyperbaric chamber. Depending on who is speaking, this therapy is now only available for 10 to 15 disorders. The effects of this treatment have been examined and shown to be statistically superior to those of patients who did not undergo hyperbaric therapy. The procedure appears to be effective for athletes who need to recuperate more quickly after putting a lot of physical strain on their bodies, or for those with physically demanding occupations. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on lifestyle and other topics.